Hi everyone, I'm Fiona, and in today's video, we will show you how to install a program to our touchscreen with our USB flash drive. The touchscreen shown in this video is our Siemens brand touchscreen. Of course, the precondition is that we must send you the touchscreen program first. Here we go. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.